Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to start talking about timeline operations. Of course, every video creator is going to be different, but when you start talking about matching audio to the images that are going to be in your video, you are going to have some options and tools available to you in order to make the timing perfect. What you're going to notice is that there is an image, there is a whiteboard, and there's some writing on top of that whiteboard. And what we want to talk about in this video are native images to a scene. We're going to open up this image, and you're going to notice that as we appear with this image, that there is a whiteboard and then there is a businesswoman standing there. Now, we decided to make this image native to the scene. And you'll notice then that there is 0 time that it takes in order to draw the image. And what that means is that when the scene starts, this image is already going to be there. And that's one tool that you have available to you. You don't have the time in order to draw it. You can make that time 0 in terms of the time it takes to draw it. And you can make it the first image in a scene so that when the scene starts, it appears. So let's take a look at how that actually works. And we're going to close this, and we're just going to play this particular scene. And we're going to do that by just clicking this button inside of our video creator.
Introduction to strategic marketing.
And so what you notice is that when the scene started, the businesswoman as well as her clipboard was already there, and we started the animation with the writing. And again, native images give you the opportunity to put in explanatory images when a scene begins, and then you can actually build around those images when you're actually doing your animation. Now, this computer monitor in our video is another native image. You'll notice that it has 0 time to animate, so when the scene actually starts, this computer monitor will be in the scene at the very beginning, and we're going to build around this computer monitor. So once again, let's take a look at how this monitor actually works in our scene.
More in our next video. If you'd like to explore this subject.
So you can see that having a native image actually gives you more options. It allows you to put more images in the screen to make your video more explanatory. So use this technique in terms of your timeline in order to give your video more life and more images so that your viewer will know what you are trying to say. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.